And but before that, for those who don't know what Upscale Product School is, this is a product management school where we teach you not only product management, we focus on product building and specifically building with AI tools. First, a workflow of an AI agent. I'll explain to you how it looks and how it works. Second is tools we will need today. So a couple of them you'll need to download because most likely you don't have them on your machine. And the AI agent we will build. So I will show you an example of an AI agent that I built, and then we together will build a simple AI agent. Sounds good? Okay, and you're welcome to ask questions as we keep going. So workflows. Do you guys know the difference between a workflow, an AI agent, and a chatbot? Okay, so workflow is a set of steps that keep on repeating. For example, if you have customer support, there's a set of steps that happens when the customer joins. Then there's either a chatbot or some sort of like documents that they have to read, and then there's steps that are taken automatically. The email is being sent to the customer. AI agent is a little mini brain that you could embed in the workflow and see where that little brain is needed, right? So, and AI agent doesn't do. It's 10x's what you already have, right? So if you have poor documentation, if you have poor data, and it's all spread out, it's just gonna give you bad results because if you don't, we usually build the AI agent and we feed it some documentation so it knows what to read and how to learn how your systems are. And the difference between an AI agent versus a chatbot is that it's pre-built. It's not like an AI agent that you can ask anything within that topic and it will answer. It usually has these options of like, hey, you want billing or you want tech support or you want ABCD, right? Kind of a drop down, but in different variations of the UI. And so then you go step by step. You can't, and if you want to go back, you literally have to go steps back. Versus when you have an AI agent, you have a continuous conversation as if you were talking to a human. And the AI agent has large language model embedded, so it has a lot of information, and then you can fine tune it. Fine tuning means that you are trimming information that is not needed. You're feeding it the documents of your business. So if I build my own AI agent for customer support and I ask it about, or somebody who's using it, or I ask about the weather, it will say, sorry, that's not in my realm, right? And the reason we do it is to keep the costs low and basically train our AI agent to do what they were supposed to do and not waste money on extra. Today, we building this AI agent. We will have a workflow and we will have tools. Think about it as a workflows. Those are the recipes for making a cake, and tools are the ingredients. So the tools we're going to be downloading today, VS Code, Python, and then we will need Claude subscription for 1 month. If you don't want to pay the $17, you can watch us do it. But in order for us to embed it into VS Code and to actually build with Claude, we would need at least 1 month subscription. And Firecrawl. Can you guys see my screen? Okay, perfect. All right, do you feel like you're already coders? Okay, so here's what you do. Open the Visual Studio, and within this area, there will be...
Cool. So which one, Claude, should I install? The first one?
yeah,
So
Claude
I
Code
open VS
for
Studio.
VS Code. Yes, this one, the first one, you install it.
Do I trust?
Yes.
Okay. Oh,
Oh, yes, you need to create a folder. Top left corner, right there in the files. Click on that, and you need to open a folder. Currently, you won't have one, but you click on the open the folder. You guys do the same thing. And here you're going to click on new folder.
yep.
Yep, there it is. And you
Mhm.
can call it Claude folder, my test, whatever you like. My first AI agent or my third AI agent. Okay, you guys do the same thing. Okay. And then you click open. So now you're creating this place where your files are going to be stored. Folder
This
right
one.
here. Yeah. Yes, fine. Okay. Claude's
Mhm.
.ai subscription. Yeah, you want the Git, yeah, Claude subscription. Click on that.
How
Now
did you get
open.
there? Sorry, how did you get there?
Uh, I've
You-
pushed this small tiny logo
Oh,
here in
okay.
the
Yes, yes, yes,
upper right. Yeah. Do I want Claude to open the external website? Open.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you need to allow it to
Mm-hmm.
like sync. Okay. So this is the part where it requires you to do the monthly subscription. So you can start conversing here. And in fact, when I needed to install things, uh, sometimes you would need to use your terminal. Every laptop has a terminal, right? Have you guys used terminal before? You don't need to use it today. The good thing is that what I want to get at is that what I love about Claude being in there in VS Code, I can tell it to download my things. And so now I no longer even have to go um, and like go to terminal or go to do things. It will either direct me of what is on my side to do, but basically this is the engineer I have today basically, and I can work with my little mini engineer. So that's one thing. There's a couple of files we'll need to have in the if you click on the file portion. Yeah. See, so you have this Claude, my first AI agent. If you click on the below part, oh, yes, this is the next step. I need to give you a file. So the slide number 13 you have access to, it has Claude MD. This Claude MD file I already prepared for you, so you don't have to. But what you can do, you can open it and you can change things if you want to. It gives you the structure of Claude AI agent to be like. Okay. So if you open the Claude.md file, this is what it looks like. And you can, as you move forward with playing with things, you can write your own. In our school, you learn how to build prompts, right? Here's the instruction that we give. The what architecture is what we started with. Remember the workflow, the agent, and the tools. That's what what stands for. So it gives you, this is how the workflow is going to be. Then the layer, the agent, and then the layer, the tools, what tools are going to be used, gives you a lot of the descriptions and credentials and API keys are stored in environment. So this is another file that we will have shortly. And then it gives you a description of how to operate it. So this is my training. Imagine you have this new engineer who came on board to your team. And this is the onboarding file for your mini agent, mini engineer. Self-improvement loop, file structure. You will drop this Claude MD into the VS Code. Oh, by the way, there's one little thing I needed to also mention. Um, in in this window, you can close on that. There's ask in, you see the ask Claude to edit and then ask before edits, and then okay, there's Claude MD. So you can have either ask before edits or automatically, right? Now, what you need to do is add that text into Claude, what you had from here, because what we did was it would create all the folders that we need, because we will need the environment folder as well. What we could have done too instead is I just needed to prompt it to say, hey, I just dropped the Claude MD file. Please process it and follow the directions. And then we'll have a follow-up. And I'm excited about our follow-up session because that's where you're going to have several agents that we'll build now that you have all this infrastructure ready.